What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Now I know that most science students are scared of physics. When they hear physics, they always they have fear like of passing an exam maybe in physics. So that's why this video is made for you. So if you're scared of physics and you're writing JAMB, this video is going to give you 20 topics that will guarantee your success in JAMB. For the physics part, other topics will be coming soon, but for physics I'll be giving 20 topics that come out most times in JAMB. So if you know that video is for you, make sure you grab your jotter, your pen, and also a popcorn and maybe a soft drink, and watch this video to the end. And also like the video if you enjoyed the video along the way. So the first topic is wave and sound. And if you remember back what they taught us in secondary school, we have wave. I think they said it's a disturbance that causes change in the particles of a medium and all. You also have sound waves where they talk about refractions and compressions, and we have formulas for calculating wavelengths. I think that was F over lambda, lambda is equal to F over V or something. So just try to read on wave and sound. The question they may ask you might not be more than 3 to 4 questions actually. You know, they can't set the whole physics question based on wave and sound. Just try to have a general knowledge on it and you are good to go. So the second topic is elasticity. And elasticity is like ability of a material to return to its original form after the distorting force has been removed. And we have Young's modulus where we have stress and strain. And that's for all level. So just know the formula for stress. You know, stress is force over area. Your strain is extension over length. So yeah, if you are good on those ones, then you're good to go for elasticity, I guess. So let's move to the third topic now. Okay, so the third topic is motion, and I want to demonstrate motion. We have motion around a linear path. We also have motion around a circular path. You know, that's circular motion. So yeah, motion entails movement, change of position, displacement and all. So make sure you read about motion, both linear motion, circular motion. Linear motion, that's where you have the equations of motion like v equals to u plus at. Then you have s equals to ut plus half at squared. Then other circular motion, that's where you have your centripetal force equals to mv squared over r. So all these things are they are fun stuffs. Just try to make your reading fun and you are good to go. The next one is electrochemical effects, and this is the conversion of like chemical energy into electrical energy. So that's just the basic. Just know like the formulas that relate to this and you should be good to go. And the next topic is alternating currents, and I'll show you what a current looks like.
So you want to know what it feels like for a medical student to be shocked by electricity. Let's see it.
Oh my god. So the next thing is actually alternating currents, and it's like alternating currents, how will I say it? AC circuit stuff. It's just like conversion of the way electric currents moves and all those things. It has been a while I read that, but make sure you read it too. It's going to come out in your JAMB. Even if it's going to be 4 questions, make sure you read it. Alternating currents, direct currents and all those stuff. Okay, so the next topic is this, heat and vapors. That's when you have heat energy. Let's just say heat energy. That's when you have specific heat, you have latent heat of fusion, you have latent heat of vaporization and all those stuff. So it's quite simple. Q equals to mc theta, Q equals to ml, Q equals to mlf and all this stuff. So just make sure you read it. You just need to have idea and there's something about physics. You should be able to know when to use a formula. You should be able to interpret questions. You should be able to know how to derive formulas. Because you can't know the formulas, at once. So you should be able to know how to derive formulas under pressure. Under exam pressure. So let's move on to the next topic. Okay, so the next topic is electromagnetism, and what is electromagnetism in layman terms? Just like the relationship or interaction between the electrical field and the magnetic field, from the word electromagnetism. So make sure you read that. That's where we have all these QVB sin theta, that's the magnitude of force and all this stuff. It has been a long time, but I'm trying my best to break it down to you with what I can remember. So the next one is light. Under light, you have reflection, you have refraction, you also have diffraction. Light is a very interesting topic, but I didn't really enjoy it in secondary school, but I know that you will enjoy it because you are a scholar. I know people watching this video are scholars, so just try to do a little revision on light. And just know that your JAMB exams is not far away again. So please begin your preparations now. If you have not been preparing before, as soon as you finish watching this video, start your preparations. I also have a playlist for JAMB candidates. So make sure you watch the other videos I have for JAMB candidates, especially my last video. Okay guys, so the next topic is current electricity, and this is just like the flow of electric currents in, let's say, a conductor or a circuit. Yeah, in a circuit is a better way to put it. And just know that electric current is not your friend though. If you touch electric current, you are gone. Just say it's gone. So the next topic is what do we have here? Work, energy and power. That's a very simple topic. It's very simple to understand. Okay, so yeah, work, energy and power. You have work. What is work? Force times distance. What is energy? Ability to do work. What is power? Rate at which you are doing work. So it's a very simple topic. You can read that under the space of 2 hours if you are good. And the next one here is molecular theory and heat transfer. That's when you have conduction, you have convection, you have radiation. So that's basic. Conduction is like transfer of heat energy between solids. Convection occurs in liquid. And there's something about radiation. Do you know that? Should I tell you? Come closer. Now, radiation does not need a material medium for the transfer of energy. Don't tell anybody that secret. So the next one is hydrostatistics, and that is like hydrostatistics is a branch of physics that do with fluids at rest. Like Archimedes principle. That's where you have Archimedes principle of flotation. You have upthrust, you have density, relative density. So yeah, and do you know that fluid can either be liquid or gas? If you know that, make sure you drop it in the comment section that you already know that. And if you don't know that, make sure you thank me for telling you that secret today. So a fluid is either a liquid or a gas. And the next topic here, alright, so the next topic is thermal expansion. That's where you have linear expansivity, area expansivity, cubic expansivity. And you know what is linear expansivity? Like, I think that's the increase in heat per degree change in temperature and all. So make sure you just touch those topics. It will surely come out, even though it's 2 questions. And finally, we have scalar and vector dimension. Make sure you know your dimension. And dimension in the sense like we have fundamental quantities, derived quantities. So make sure you touch on that. Vectors, addition of vectors. And make sure you know your vectors. Now I want to ask you a question. Is first a vector a scalar quantity? Drop the answer in the comment section, and there will be a prize for the first person to get, for the first 2 people to get the answers. So first 2 people to drop the comments, correct answer in the comment section, I have a gift for you. And if you have been enjoying this video from the start, make sure you hit the like button. And if you are watching this video at this moment, thank you very much for watching this video to the end. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and catch you in my next video.